Hey guys, and welcome back to another YouTube video. My name is Dee. Nice to meet you all. Join the family, like, comment, subscribe. Hope you're having a good day, a blessed day, a wonderful day. I hope today is Sunday, so it's the beginning of the week. We made it through another week of the new year. So today I am going to be doing a video on what's in my Dooney bag. I have a Dooney bag. Like, this is my first name brand bag. Thanks to Mama Lynn from where I work, my coworker. She bought me a Dooney Bourke bag. Like, can you believe that? I can't. But yeah, it's so big. So let's do what's in my Dooney bag. Okay, so let me show you the bag first. This is the bag that I take to work. This is my bag. It's red. It's a tote. Okay, it's a tote. This is the straps are leather. Yeah, so my Dooney bag, look at the details. Leather straps, leather straps. I am feeling myself. Thanks, Mama Lynn. You know who you are for getting me this bag and giving me this video idea. So what's in it? I don't know if you can see. I don't want to move my camera because it'll fall over. But that's, I'll insert videos. Okay, so in this bag that I take to work, how about I do it this way? Okay, wait. Technical difficulties. I'll be right back. Welcome back. Is this a better angle? I hope it's a better angle. So, my Dooney bag. Welcome me to the club, guys. I am a Dooney owner. So, like, comment, subscribe. Tell me, welcome to the Dooney club, my Dooney lovers. So, let's open her up. See, what do I have in my Dooney? How much can my Dooney hold? And honestly, I'm gonna take some of this stuff out because I'm afraid that she will break, and I don't want her to break. I know she's strong, but I don't want her to break. But anyway, what's in it? Let's take a look. Let me give you an inside view first. Hey, I'm back. You miss me? Okay. This is the inside of my purse. I have a lot of things in here, but we'll get into that in this video. So let me turn you back around. Welcome back. Okay, so what's inside of my Dooney? First, I have my laptop. So I'm starting my master's tomorrow. Congratulate me. I'm nervous, but I'm gonna make it with God's grace. I'm gonna make it. Start my master's tomorrow, and it's online. So I have my laptop with me so I can start the work on my lunch break, of course, at work. And so yeah, it's very light. I have a video on me unboxing my laptop. Go check that out. It's Microsoft Surface laptop. It's very light, very light. Otherwise, I wouldn't be putting her in my Dooney. I have my prayer journal. Yes, guys, I have a prayer journal. Check her out. It says, I can do everything through him who gives me strength. Okay, amen. And it's Sunday. Amen, because God gives me strength every day. If it were not for him, I would not be in the blessed situation that I'm in now. But this is my prayer journal. I take it everywhere with me because honestly, y'all, sometimes you really just need to sit down and just write a prayer of gratitude. You're thankful that you're blessed, you know. Anything, just take it with you. And if you feel stressed throughout the day, just take a minute, 5 minutes, 2 minutes, just write a little prayer. Thankful, or God, I'm stressed out, please bless me to be okay, let me get through this. Yes, it helps a lot. It is honestly a lifesaver. I don't do it every day. I'm not gonna lie to you and say I do it every day, but you know.
I pray every day, but I don't write in it every day. I have my planner. Look at my beautiful unicorn planner. It says Wonder Seekers. This is my planner. And guess who got it for me again? Mama Lynn. Thank you, Mama Lynn. Here is my planner. It's a lifesaver as well, guys. It's a happy day planner. It's a 18-month planner, so I had another one that was 18 months as well. So it has a couple months from last year, and I don't need those, so they'll just be empty, but it's a lifesaver, right? Everything that I do, every appointment, everything goes into this planner. So I have to take it everywhere with me, because what if my phone breaks? And then I'm like, out of luck. Where am I gonna see all my things that I need to do for the week? That's why I have a hard copy. My planner, happy day planner, by the way. They are amazing. And then I have my stickers. It's broken, but my stickers for my planner, because I like color. I love stickers. They make everything better. One fell out, but stickers for my planner, so they go together throughout the day. If it's something about work, or I have a separate work planner, but I leave that strictly at work because I don't like to bring work home with me. Excuse me. Because when I'm home, I'm home. I don't answer work emails. I don't answer work calls. I don't get paid to work more than 40 hours a week. No more, no less. Okay. Then I have my change coin purse. It weighs a ton, but if you ever need change, come to me. I got you. And sorry guys, something got in my throat. It's full of quarters and nickels and pennies, but it's cute, right? Shout out to my granny. She got me this purse. It's beautiful. And then I have my actual little wallet. Fun fact, I've had this wallet since middle school. Yeah, that long. I remember I lost it one time in the mall, and then maybe I'll do a story time on that. But some lady said that God told her that I lost this wallet, and she gave it back to me. That was nothing but the Lord. Amen. Yeah, so I've had this wallet since middle school. And by the way, I am 23, and so that was some years ago. This wallet has been with me through a lot, and I need a new one because the black paint is peeling off, so I keep all my cards and stuff, or whatever in that. And then I have a pack of gum because, you know, lip gloss. I keep these in the little pockets. This and this. These are all in the little pockets inside of my Dooney. And then I have $3. Amen. I didn't even know I had that. That is good. I have another phone. And then I have my... Don't come for me. I know these are a lot of USB drives. But when I tell you my life is on these drives, my life is on these drives. I have another lip gloss. Because if I'm not feeling pink, I'm feeling nude. Okay? They're cute. Okay. I have my glasses, which I should probably put on. It's Guess. Thank you very much. Guess is beautiful. Let me put my glasses on so y'all can see. Better yet, so I can see you. Ooh, look at my Malcolm X glasses. I like them. They're cute. Shout out to iMart. Oh, my key keeper. Look, guys. Okay.
I didn't know what this was. I didn't know what this little thing was until Mama Lynn told me. She was like, what are you doing? Because I just had it clipped to the other end. So she was like, what are you doing? That's why your bag's not standing up. You have to unclip it. I was like, I didn't even know. I'm being educated on designer bags, and I didn't know. But now I do. It keeps your keys. She says it's a key keeper. So I have my work keys on here, my house keys on here, my car keys on here. They're all here, so I'll never leave them in my office when I leave work. Because who is going to be mad if I get locked out of my office? It's me. But yeah, they're on my key keeper. And it's long enough to where you don't really have to take the, like your house keys off to unlock the door. Because it reach. So you don't even have to worry about that. And then what else do I have in here? I have my, in the pocket, the zipper, I have my charger for my phone, and I have my headphones, and I have a pen and a highlighter. And that's it. That's all, honey. That is everything that is in my Dooney. Probably a little bit too much. Like I said, I'm gonna probably take some stuff out because I don't want it to get too heavy. But yeah, my laptop is gonna stay definitely, and my prayer journal is gonna stay. My planner, I will probably, I don't know, take another bag and sit it in there. But I am thankful to Mama Lynn for introducing me and bringing me into the Dooney Club, you know, because I always wanted a designer purse, but you know, it's like you like to buy things for other people, and then when it comes to yourself, you don't really want to buy things. So it was one of those things. But bless her, she has her own YouTube channel, and I will have to ask her what it is, or maybe I won't. I don't know if she wants you to know. I don't know. But she has a YouTube channel, and she talks nothing but about handbags. She is the handbag lady. She knows it all, and she's very passionate about her bags too. So I think you all would very much so enjoy her YouTube channel. But yes, guys, let me put everything back in my bag because work is tomorrow. It's Monday. But you know, we're gonna get through the week. Through God's grace and mercy, we are gonna make it through the week. And yeah, that's what's in my Dooney, guys. What's in your Dooney? Do you have a Dooney? Are you a person? Bag lady? Bag man? Do you have a bag? Do you have a Dooney? I'm recording on my new phone. Do y'all like it? The quality is good, or is it bad? Did you like this video? Like, comment, subscribe, join the family. But this is my Dooney. I'm gonna work on thumbnails because I don't know how to do those. Like, comment, subscribe. Look at my Dooney. Like, comment, subscribe, join the family. Yeah, I am new to YouTube, so welcome me. And I hope y'all have a great week. You all have a wonderful day, wonderful week, wonderful month, wonderful rest of the year. I hope everyone's prosperous and successful. And yeah, I guess I'll catch y'all in the next video. Y'all want to see her standing up before I go? My diploma case is falling. Let's see. Let me get her together for y'all so y'all can see her. I'll be right back. Okay, there she is. She's standing. She's hefty. She cute. Look at Dooney. Look at Dooney. Look at the detail. Leather. The details is impeccable. Leather straps. Again, the inside of my bag, it's unorganized because I threw everything in there trying to hurry up and end the video. But yeah, this is what she looks like. She stands, she heavy. I heard the weight on her, she heavy. So I'm definitely gonna take something out. But yeah, I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye.